I seriously look like an Oompa Loompa. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Tanologist Express Tan, and it looks like this, the shade dark. So I got this at Target for around $20 something. So the thing with this is that it's a mousse consistency, and you're supposed to leave it for the results that you desire around 1 to 4 hours. So it does have a smell to it. It smells a little bit like the Garnier box hair dyes. This is the first time I try a self mousse tan. So you're supposed to exfoliate 24 hours before application, and also that includes shave, moisturize, do everything. And in this case I used the DIY sugar scrub that I made after I shaved, and then of course I moisturized, and then I was able to apply everything else. I did all of this before I applied everything the day before. It's nice that it's a mousse consistency, but at the same time, it's like once you're applying it, I use the Tanologist glove along with this mousse. And yes, you're applying it and you feel like you're getting an even layer of it, and you're applying it kind of like in circle motions and up and down. Okay, that's fine. But the thing is that you don't know where the product is really going to, if it's gonna run or not. But it's mousse consistency, so it feels a little bit like a shaving cream, like a foamy shaving cream, and then it disappears, and then it leaves like a little bit of a glow. So I personally left it on and I checked it every hour, but then at the 4-hour mark I looked like an Oompa Loompa. So in the 4-hour mark I did take a shower, as it states in the instructions on the back. Like, I am orange. I'm not tan. I'm not dark tan or suntan, sun kissed. No, I am like an Oompa Loompa. In person, like, it looks really orange. Like, I'm not kidding, it looks like the shade of an Oompa Loompa. And if you see like my toe area, I didn't put the mousse well there, so you see like white patches with like the dark orange kind of like Oompa Loompa color. It was a mess. So this review and self experiment kind of sort of is based on my opinion on how I feel with the product, and my final review is that out of 10 I would rate this a 2. I didn't like it, guys. I really didn't. I thought I was gonna like it, and I saw like a big hype around this product, but for me it's a no. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, nights, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.